Today we have a 2017 GMC Acadia to show you. It's a limited model, all-wheel drive, 24,000 miles. Comes with balance of factory warranty. Give you a look. It does have the nice brushed aluminum grille, along with the lower brushed aluminum fascia. It does have the high definition headlighting, along with fog lights. Bring you around the side, show you the tires and wheels. There is a 20-inch combination tire and wheel package. Do have the chrome wheels on there, and you have Bridgestone rubber, around 3/4 tread on the tires. You have the integrated signals built into your mirrors, and you got your nice chrome door handles, along with your brushed aluminum roof rack, and your satellite antenna for your radio is up there. Inside we have a black on black interior with leather seating. You do have power driver and passenger seating. Also has some of the nice dark wood grain trim on the doors and the dash. Show you the middle row. There's lots of room in there. You do have your heating and air conditioning controls for the middle row also. It does have the split bucket seat. And the seats will either fold flat or they will slide straight ahead for entry into your third row, which you have a pretty good amount of space back there also. And rubber on the rear is about the same. And you will see the badging is the SLT model. And the rear badging, all-wheel drive of course, limited. Does have rear defrost and wiper. Power liftgate. With the backup cam, which is right up under there. And with the third row up, you don't have a lot of storage space. If you need more room, those seats will fold flat along with the middle row, so you have quite a bit of space in there with the seats all folded down. And again, tires are on 3/4. Pretty uniform all the way around. And seating on this side, I'll go ahead and show you how they fold the other way. That's the other way they slide forward, as opposed to folding flat like I did on the other side. We'll go ahead and hop inside and I'll give you a little closer look at the interior. It does have two-way memory seating. Power locks, windows, mirrors, all located on your driver's door, and the controls for your power seat. We will light the dash up and give you a look. You'll notice the current mileage is 23,922. And your steering wheel, you have your heated wheel, of course, your button for that. You have your cruise control on the left. On the right, you have your voice recognition, you have your telephone, and your audio settings. And you have your adjustments for your heads-up display. On the top of the dash, you have a little cubby for storage. And down here, you have your AM, FM, CD, satellite radio. And you also have your navigation, which is also run through there. You can link all your devices right up through there. And you have your lane departure system. All those goodies. You have your heating and air conditioning controls. Below that you have your adjustments, your buttons for your driver and passenger heated seating, along with your rear wipers, traction control. Couple nice deep cup holders, automatic transmission selector. You have another cubby hole there with a removable tray, and you do have a 12-volt power source down under that. And your armrest to actually slide back and forth. It's kind of nice, and that opens for a shallow storage tray there. Show you your OnStar settings. Programmable garage door openers. It's a nice clean vehicle. No smell of smoke or pet. No rips or tears. Here, show you the engine bay. You'll see the engine bay is nice and clean also. As for engine, you have the 3.6 liter variable valve timing, direct injection V6. Pretty stable engine for these GM vehicles. You get around 22 miles per gallon highway and around 15 around the town or city, depending on your driving habits, which isn't very bad considering it is a rather large SUV. You look at that LED lighting on the front. And lastly, we're going to walk around one more time and pinpoint any blemishes or imperfections on this Acadia. And you will see there are a couple small stone chips on the front. Very common for anything used, especially around these parts. There are a couple scuffs on top of the back bumper, which again is a pretty common spot to see that, people loading and unloading things. Nothing too hateful. There's 2 or 3 of them about an inch, inch and a half long. Here's a couple small door dings on the driver's door. 2 of them. All in all, this is a real good looking Acadia. If you're in the market or know somebody that would like to come out and take a look, give us a call here. Our number is 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com.